Hello, Hoàng.
Hello Quang Anh.
Can I ask you some questions about Taylor Swift is free time activity?
Yes, you can.
Okay, question one. What is her name?
Her name is Taylor Swift.
Okay, how old is she?
She is 32 years old.
What does she do?
She is a singer and songwriter.
Okay, what does she like doing in her free time?
She likes doing cooking
Why does she like cooking?
because she feels relaxed.
Hmm. Who cook with her?
Her boyfriend.
How often does she cook?
She often cook every weekend.
Okay, what does she like doing?
She dislikes playing golf
Why?
because she feels bored.
Okay.
Bye.